Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the error code NP-102946-2, update the game or app to use network features. And so basically this is a very simple error code. All you have to do is just update your game, make sure it's fully updated, and you can do that by going to the game you want to update. Click on the options button on your controller and it will say check for update. The second method, or it will say here if you have any updates or the game is installed to the latest version. The second thing you guys can do is go to game library and then again go to the installed section and then check whatever game you want to update and click on the options button again, and then it will say check for update. And yeah, you should be good to go. Now to fix this error code for the future, you can just have your game set to rest mode. So just turn your PlayStation to rest mode and it will automatically update any latest updates for any game, so you don't really have to wait or anything, so you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.